What is up, Ewu crew? Today we're taking you guys into another tunnel right here. Down another creepy tunnel, guys. This one turns right away. Hey, it's like a little workroom right here. Check it out, guys. Little workroom. Little wooden floor. (1976) over there on the wall. RC Cola. Oh, look at this right away, it splits. Wow, it keeps splitting up this way. Options. We need to go right and then just keep right the whole way, then come back to this junction and then go left. Let's go take a look down here. At least you want to look over it. But I bet you they connect probably again, don't you think? Alright guys, we're going right. Bad track right here. See what this says. Yeah, I have no idea. There's a bat right there. No, it isn't. Looks like one, but it's not. Alright guys, let's go. Look how big this ore car track is, guys. It's the size of a train track. Be pretty cool if we found one in here. One of the old ore carts. Let's see what does this say. 1981, 78, 79. Doug T. Over here we got Fred D. W. Fred W. 79 and 1980. Oh, look at that, guys. There's a little room back there. I think we have to go see it. What do you think? Alright, guys. We just came through that tunnel right there. This looks like some older workings over here. Let's go see what's over here. Try not to talk too loud because we don't want any more caving in on our heads. It is. Hand cleaner. Some ore samples. Tons of ore samples right here. Looks like the end. Sorry about my shoes, guys. Yeah, this is it. This was the end. Maybe not. Oh no, it continues that way. Well, I don't think I'm squeezing. Hey, that's a borehole. I wonder what year. I think they have a date on the bottom. This Pepsi can. Yeah. 94, guys. $19.94, guys. And how about this slice can? 93. Shall we continue on? Let's go. Look at this, guys. Another room. Looks like it ends right there, but another slice. Yeah, these ones are pretty rough shape. Let's continue on the main haulage, guys. What does this say? Hercules. Check it out, guys. Another room. This must have been where they kept the dynamite. Let's go and see. Some pretty big rocks have fallen off of there. The shelf. All right, let's go. All right, guys, we're going to continue to back to the main. There's a Pepsi bottle. Coming up to yet another junction, guys. Which way to go? To the right? Should go to the right first. That looks like a false floor right there, guys. You would not want to step on that. What do you guys think this thing is right here? We've seen a lot of them outside the mine. I think this is a shaft. Oh yeah. I think another drill, one of those boreholes. Don't want to fall down there. Oh, this looks like the end of the line. It's the end of the line, guys. "2012 for a future generation." So we went that way, guys. Now we're gonna go and see what's over on this side. Remember to follow the tracks. Little bench to sit on. Sure, but we don't want to get lost, so we're going to try to stay off the main branches for now, guys. Okay? That one looks like it ends right there, maybe. Let's stay on the main tracks. 1994. Paul S. Fred M. 1994. Oops. Looks like we have a tunnel back that way. I heard something. Should we see it this way first? This is not a very sturdy area. That's why there's all that cribbing right there. Alright guys, decided to kind of head back in this direction. If there's any gasoline in here. Nope, bone dry. I want to take a look in this. And there's a little room over here or something. Now this one just continues on. I say we go back to the main haulage and just follow that one first. Get to the end. What do you say? Somebody had a little lunch here. Another old Pepsi can. Lock them up. Doesn't look like they locked them up too good, does it, guys? I think I see a wall. Got a room with a door this way. And we'll go there. Let's just take a peek around the corner real quick, guys. Just get a look, see if there's any cool over here. The Ewu crew is here. Looks like we got a dead end there, dead end there, and I think that way takes us back to the way we were. But in order to not get lost, we're staying on the main tunnel today, guys. But remember, guys, if you want us to come back here, be sure to let us know in the comments. All right, guys, we're gonna go check out what's down here and see what else we can find. And look at this leaking low water. We want to get through that quick. Let's be quiet. Let's see what this says. Danger, keep out. It makes me want to look. Come on, guys. You know we gotta look, huh? We have to look, guys. It's that nasty stuff again on the ground. We have to look.